Number 1. 1972 GMC 3500 regular cab long bed, $4,500, Miami, Indiana. This 1972 GMC 3500 is an interesting single-wheel camper special with a long bed configuration and only 72,000 miles reported. The seller describes it as a Longhorn truck with a standard length bed and says it runs and drives very well. The truck is fairly solid, but with a nice bed and recently replaced right side cab corner and rocker panels. As a heavy-duty GMC from the early 1970s, it has the rugged character and substantial proportions that make these trucks increasingly attractive to collectors. It needs some additional tender loving care, but the reported solid condition makes it worth investigating at $4,500. Number 2. 1966 Ford F100, $12,000. Ovid, New York. This 1966 Ford F100 stands out because it has been upgraded with a 460 cubic inch big block V8, giving this classic Ford considerably more power than its original engine options. The seller says it came from Florida and is very solid, which is especially attractive for a vintage truck because rust and structural corrosion can be major concerns. It reportedly runs and drives, but needs carburetor work. With only 48,000 miles reported and 2 owners, the truck has an appealing ownership history, although the mileage should be verified. At $12,000, buyers should expect the body, frame, drivetrain, and big block installation to be thoroughly inspected. Number 3. 1973 Ford F350 XL cab and chassis, $6,000. Odell, Illinois. This 1973 Ford F350 XL is a straightforward heavy-duty classic listed at $6,000 with 51,664 miles reported and a manual transmission. The seller's description is brief, stating simply that it runs and drives. The F350 sits above the lighter F-Series models and was designed for serious hauling and commercial use, giving it a more substantial chassis and suspension than a typical half-ton pickup. Because there is little information about the body, drivetrain, brakes, and chassis, an in-person inspection is particularly important. Number 4. 1964 Ford F250 Custom Cab, $6,000. Ithaca, New York. This 1964 Ford F250 is a serious old-school four-wheel drive work truck equipped with a 352 cubic inch FE V8, 4-speed manual transmission, and NP205 transfer case. It also retains cast-iron FE headers and a dealer-installed hydraulic snowplow system. The seller says it runs, drives, and stops with good oil pressure and fully functioning electrical equipment. The truck has body rust and a primer-finished interior, but importantly, there is reportedly no structural rust in the frame or cab mounts. The heavy-duty drivetrain and four-wheel drive system make this a particularly useful classic rather than simply a display vehicle. Number 5. 1969 Jeep Gladiator J3000, $3,500, Grottoes, Virginia. This 1969 Jeep Gladiator J3000 is a substantial four-wheel drive classic powered by a Buick 350 V8. It was reportedly used as a daily driver until 1997 and has been sitting since, so it is now a non-running project. The truck comes with its original factory manuals, an upgraded windshield washer system, and the original aftermarket hydraulic plow mount, which is included. Apart from the truck bed, the seller says it remains largely original, Its long period of storage means the fuel system, brakes, cooling system, tires, seals, and engine internals will all require careful evaluation. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, $1,900, Colonial Beach, Virginia. At $1,900, this 1987 Chevrolet C10 Silverado is one of the more affordable running trucks here. It is an original two-wheel drive long bed with a 305 cubic inch small block V8 and overdrive automatic transmission. The seller reports that it runs and drives great, starts every time, and that most systems work. The frame is reportedly good, although the truck has the usual rust, particularly around the inner wheel wells. The air conditioning system is complete but has a seized compressor, while the fuel gauge and passenger side power window are not functioning. Budget project. Number 7. 1987 Jeep Comanche short bed, $2,900, Bradley Beach, New Jersey. This 1987 Jeep Comanche is a compact two-wheel drive pickup with an automatic transmission and the desirable 4.0-liter engine. The truck has approximately 160,000 miles and has been sitting for about 8 years. The seller says it cranks and briefly started when supplied with starting fluid, indicating that the basic engine may still have life, but the fuel system will need attention. Because it has been dormant for years, the brakes, fuel system, cooling system, belts, hoses, and tires should all be inspected before attempting to drive it. Number 8. 1982 Ford F100, $2,000, Littlestown, Pennsylvania. This 1982 Ford F100 is an appealing low-cost project with 83,597 miles, 2 owners, and the original 300 cubic inch inline-6 engine. The seller has already invested in several important areas, including a fuel pump, ignition components, battery, brake lines, brake cylinder, taillights, tires, and alignment. Rust is reportedly minimal, which is a significant advantage for an older Ford. However, it currently struggles to start, overheats after running for a while, has an electrical issue with the rear turn signals, and feels down on power. The suspected radiator or thermostat problem should be addressed before regular driving. Number 9. 1985 Ford F250 XLT, $3,500. Rating, Pennsylvania. This 1985 Ford F250 XLT is equipped with a 6.9-liter international diesel engine, aftermarket turbocharger, automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. The four-wheel drive system reportedly works well, and the truck runs, shifts, drives, and stops. However, the engine leaks oil and has significant blow-by, indicating that the diesel will need mechanical attention. The truck also has dry-rotted tires, although they still hold air, and some electrical problems with the power windows and locks. The previous owner reportedly drove it to school regularly despite its condition. Number 10. 1987 Chevrolet Silverado Scottsdale, $10,000, Salisbury, Maryland. This 1987 Chevrolet Silverado Scottsdale is a highly modified square body with a 1980 four-wheel drive frame and a 454 cubic inch big block bored to 468 cubic inches. The seller says it runs and drives, but it still needs tuning and several small items before being considered road-ready. The combination of a later square body style, earlier four-wheel drive frame, and heavily enlarged big block makes this more of a custom performance truck than an original survivor. At $10,000, the quality of the engine build, chassis work, wiring, cooling system, brakes, and four-wheel drive conversion will be critical to its value. Number 11. 1973 Dodge Power Wagon D100, $4,000, Chickasha, Pennsylvania. This 1973 Dodge Power Wagon D100 is a practical classic equipped with four-wheel drive, four-speed manual transmission, locking hubs, and an engine reportedly rebuilt only about 5,000 miles ago. It also features an easy dump box and toolboxes, making it much more than a basic collector truck. The seller describes it as a good condition, one-owner vehicle with a clear history. The combination of a rebuilt engine, manual transmission, and functional utility equipment gives this Dodge genuine working truck appeal. Number 12. 1961 Ford F150 short bed, $15,000, Jasper, Indiana. This 1961 Ford is an unusual custom build described as a wrong bed truck because it was built in 1961 but received a 1959 truck bed at the factory at that time. The truck has reportedly been restored from the frame up and has traveled only 599 miles since the restoration. Under the hood is a 429 cubic inch engine with a turbo automatic transmission, making this small vintage Ford considerably more powerful than its original configuration. The seller describes it as a fast little truck with new wheels and tires. It does need attention to a leaking rubber fuel line and malfunctioning brake lights. Number 13. 1950 Chevrolet C4100, unleavened $100, Kokomo, Indiana. This 1950 Chevrolet C4100 is an inexpensive vintage truck project listed at only $1,100. The seller describes it as an old, rusty Chevrolet truck that does not run. With its age and non-running condition, this is clearly not a ready-to-drive classic. Instead, it is better suited to an ambitious restoration, custom build, or possibly a donor project. The reported 1,000 miles should not be interpreted as verified total mileage on a truck this old. Number 14. 1973 Ford F250, $6,500, Trivoli, Illinois. Known affectionately as Ole Orange, this 1973 Ford F250 has a remarkable family history. The truck has remained in the same extended family for decades and reportedly worked on central Illinois family farms for more than 40 years. It remains in original condition and has been used for hauling scrap, steel, garbage, and wood chips, with its functional dump truck body being one of its most distinctive features. The seller recently replaced the front brakes and brake booster, while the rest of the equipment reportedly works, including the period push-button radio. With only 2 owners reported and 62,862 miles, this is much more than an ordinary old work truck. It is a preserved piece of family and agricultural history.